to Jeazie's crib. It's me this time. I know y'all wanted Eric, but it's okay. We're in Montego Bay, Jamaica at the Riu Palace. All right, so this is the entrance. You have a nice, beautiful purple flower on the wall and a nice body length mirror, okay? And then over here to your left is the bathroom. It's open, it's an open concept. Behind this door, we have the toilet. Then we have the shower right over here. I like this little right here. Got the towels back here, and then they have what they call this, the rainforest shower. Then they have the double sinks over here. The mirror, the glasses, lotion, all that good stuff right here. Then we have the nice tub. It's open, yeah. So let's go this way. Here's the closet. It has extra blankets, and hangers, and this safe right here. And right here we have the two, these look like twin beds. So these are full size. These look like full size. Full size beds. And over here, the best part, come show them, come show them. We have the liquor dispenser. Anytime you want it. You have the coffee over here. The water, okay, water. Here's the refrigerator right here. I'm trying to open it. There we go. Fully stocked. We have some beer, more water, Coke, Sprite, and it looks like sparkling water or something down there. Alright, so walk over here. A little seating area. Have the drawers with a nice TV. Looks like about a 42, maybe. Yeah. And here we have the beds. The purple. The telephone. These are lights. Yep, the lights right here. The little ports, the charging ports. Then we have another little, it looks like a coffee table. Little coffee table right here. Another seating table right here. Little chair. This is the couch, but there's three of us, so I'm gonna be sleeping right here. It's low. I don't know how I'm gonna get up. Another pretty picture. And here is our, I would say balcony, but this would be a patio because we ain't up nowhere. So let me open it up. How you open it up? Oh, because I just did. Here it is. We don't have a view, but it's okay. We're in Jamaica. It's still, you know, nice. Sit down, sit down. But yes, this is our room at Riu Palace Montego Bay, Jamaica. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. See y'all later.